Hello my dear fellow day traders, welcome to 25th March 2019's pre-open analysis. Today SGX Nifty is showing 64 points down move at the level of 11,406 levels. So US markets have done pretty bad for itself on Friday, that is 460.19 points down on Dow Jones, 196.292 points down on Nasdaq, and 54.17 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red in today's pre-open session and go back to the open session in red as well. Let's see what Indian markets has offered in the previous days and the day today. So let's see, the Indian markets have seen or have stuck a pretty great resistance at the level of 11,550 levels. So why is that? 11,550 to 580 is a very strong resistance. That's because Indian markets have stuck that particular level once and afterwards come down heavily. So that's one of the reason there is a strong resistance at this particular level, and we have to cross this in order to go upwards. So that being said, what are the supports and resistances we have to watch out for in today's and upcoming sessions? Of course, 11,580 levels is a very strong resistance. Above that, the first level of resistance we have to watch out for is 11,600. Of course, is a very strong resistance for the market. Above that, 11,624 is a very strong resistance. 11,669 is a very strong resistance, and 11,696 is a very strong resistance. 11,723 and 11,760, which is the highest Indian markets have scaled up to, are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for in today's and upcoming sessions. So what are the levels of support we have to watch out for? The first level of support we have to watch out for is 11,450, 11,400 and 11,384 levels to 11,350 levels to 11,344 level, 11,300 level, and 11,280, 11,250, 11,237 are the levels of resistance we have to watch out for in today's and upcoming sessions. If 11,237 is barred, the next level of resistance, next level of support comes up at 11,174, which was one time all-time high in Indian markets, which it has scaled to. So that is the levels of supports and resistance we have to watch out for in today's session. If you are actually looking to make money from technical analysis on a daily basis, click on the first link in the description below. I will be teaching you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis, not weekly, not monthly, daily basis. There is a session happening in 91 Springboards, Residency Road, Bangalore on 30 and 31st. I will teach you 3 strategies plus 1 strategy which makes me about 50 to 100% return in one day, just one day. So click on the first link in the description below to get enrolled for this week's session happening in 91 Springboards, Residency Road. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know